Most men over 40 unknowingly sabotage their appearance by clinging to outdated trends or settling for sloppy, shapeless comfort. It is time to stop looking like you were stuck in the past. True sartorial power lies in quiet luxury, intentional layering, and mastering the subtle art of elevated, smart casual dressing. Today, we reveal 15 specific style moves that instantly upgrade your wardrobe, projecting undeniable wealth and mature masculine confidence. Ready to command the respect you deserve? Subscribe to the Man Style Decree today. 1. The knitted polo evolution. Men over 40 often default to shapeless golf shirts, instantly dating their wardrobe. To project modern, quiet luxury, replace them with a short-sleeve, rust-orange knitted polo. The textured knit provides an architectural drape that naturally flatters a mature upper body while remaining highly breathable for spring afternoons. Anchor this vibrant top with crisp charcoal tailored chinos, avoiding the dreaded khaki uniform. This specific color contrast immediately signals sophisticated taste. Ground the ensemble with a minimalist silver dress watch on a black leather strap, ensuring your aesthetic remains grounded in classic horology. This effortless combination guarantees you look impeccably put together and undeniably affluent in any casual setting. 2. The lightweight tweed alternative. Tailoring should never feel rigid during warmer months. Discard stiff suit jackets and embrace a muted mustard yellow linen wool jacket. This exceptional garment delivers essential structure without heavy padding, allowing natural movement while commanding absolute respect. The unique, earthy tone completely distinguishes you from a sea of generic navy blazers. Balance the striking upper layer with classic navy gabardine trousers, creating a deeply aristocratic color harmony that flatters an older gentleman perfectly. Finish the look with a vintage steel dress watch to establish mature refinement. This specific outfit bridges the difficult gap between formal business attire and relaxed weekend wear, solidifying your status as a style expert. 3. Mastering the suede vest. Layering becomes challenging as temperatures rise, leading many men to abandon visual interest altogether. The chocolate brown suede vest offers a masterclass in textural dimension without overheating. Worn open over a high-quality cream, long-sleeve cotton Henley, it constructs a profoundly masculine silhouette that instantly upgrades your presence. Pair these upper layers with exceptionally tailored olive green corduroy trousers. The subtle rib texture of the corduroy complements the rich suede beautifully, producing an outfit that whispers old money country estates. Complete this sophisticated aesthetic with a polished silver dress watch. You will project immense confidence, demonstrating an advanced understanding of premium fabrics and elite transitional weather dressing. 4. The elevated chore coat. Utility wear often looks sloppy on older men if not executed with absolute precision. A faded terracotta canvas chore coat modernizes classic workwear, transforming it into a luxurious spring staple. This unstructured piece provides necessary pocket space while maintaining a clean, dignified profile. Soften the rugged nature of the canvas by pairing it with impeccable stone white linen trousers. The stark contrast between the heavy terracotta upper and the breezy white lower half creates a captivating visual dynamic that screams European vacation wealth. Add a minimalist stainless steel dress watch to elevate the utilitarian roots, resulting in a perfectly balanced, deeply worldly daytime aesthetic. Five, the camp collar sophistication. Casual shirting frequently ages men prematurely when they choose loud tropical prints. Embrace quiet luxury by selecting a solid dark plum camp collar shirt crafted from premium cotton. The open lapel elegantly frames the face, offering a relaxed yet highly intentional vintage aesthetic. Ground this rich jewel tone with breathable tailored beige seersucker pants. The subtle puckered texture of seersucker guarantees excellent airflow during warm spring afternoons, while adding a touch of traditional Southern aristocratic charm. Accessorize strategically with a sleek silver dress watch and a plain dark Panama hat. This refined approach to warm weather dressing ensures you look incredibly wealthy and culturally sophisticated everywhere. 6. Rethinking the denim jacket. Traditional blue denim jackets can sometimes appear too youthful for a man over 40. Elevate your outerwear game by investing in a crisp ecru denim jacket instead. This unexpected off-white shade instantly sanitizes the rugged silhouette, offering a polished, highly sophisticated alternative that brightens your entire complexion. Anchor this striking piece with impeccably cut dark forest green cotton trousers. The deep green provides a magnificent earthy contrast, ensuring the outfit remains grounded in mature masculinity. Incorporating a classic steel dress watch proves your dedication to subtle luxury. This exact combination telegraphs extreme cultural refinement, ensuring you look impossibly wealthy and naturally put together all spring. Seven, the double-breasted knit. Replacing tailored blazers with premium knitwear is a secret weapon of the sartorial elite. A navy blue double-breasted knit cardigan provides all the commanding authority of a classic suit jacket with zero stiffness. The overlapping front construction builds a powerful chest profile, incredibly flattering for mature gentlemen. Pair this heavyweight knit with light gray flannel trousers for an undisputed champion of conservative wealth styling. The textural harmony between soft knitwear and brushed flannel creates an undeniably luxurious daytime uniform. Equip your wrist with a polished steel dress watch, solidifying an impeccably clean, highly structured aesthetic that dominates any upscale environment with effortless, old money grace. Eight, the refined Guayabera approach. Finding formal alternatives for scorching days requires historical knowledge. A slate blue linen Guayabera shirt offers brilliant structural elegance without demanding a jacket. The distinctive front pleats provide vertical lines that slim the torso, while the premium linen ensures maximum heat dissipation. Elevate this traditional piece by pairing it with dark brown tropical wool trousers. This sophisticated color combination avoids typical tourist cliches, anchoring your appearance in serious, old wealth aesthetics. A minimalist silver dress watch peeking from the cuff adds essential modern restraint. You will project unmatched worldly confidence, proving that true style relies entirely on exceptional materials and intentional, mature curation. Nine, the belted safari shirt. Exploring heritage silhouettes yields incredible dividends for older men who deeply understand advanced style mechanics. The olive drab belted safari shirt offers an adventurous yet highly disciplined approach to warm weather dressing. The belted waist and distinct pocket structure create a profoundly masculine shape, highly flattering for a mature physique. Subdue the boldness of the top by pairing it with crisp cream high-twist cotton trousers. This specific color dynamic immediately screams vintage wealth and exotic spring travel. A simple silver dress watch on the wrist adds modern restraint, preventing the outfit from looking like a costume. It is a masterful display of confident, aristocratic dressing. The V-neck layering technique. Proper layering separates true style connoisseurs from the average man. A camel cashmere V-neck sweater serves as the ultimate transitional garment, providing supreme softness and a universally flattering neckline. Worn over a pristine white Oxford shirt, the V-neck perfectly frames the collar, drawing attention upwards to your face. Anchor this classic upper half with sharply tailored midnight blue chinos, creating a visually striking contrast that completely avoids looking dated. Adding a sleek silver dress watch provides the exact metallic contrast needed to elevate the soft fabrics. This masterfully curated outfit exudes supreme comfort, extreme wealth, and quiet intellectual charm for any upscale afternoon occasion. 11. The linen popover mastery. Standard button-down shirts can feel incredibly restrictive during late spring. The deep teal linen popover shirt solves this dilemma with a relaxed placket that exudes effortless Mediterranean charm. The rich jewel tone adds vital energy to your wardrobe while maintaining complete dignity for a man over 40. Pair this luxurious top with sharply pleated light khaki gabardine pants. The structured pants brilliantly contrast the soft, slightly wrinkled nature of the linen, ensuring the overall silhouette remains crisp and intentional. Finish this ensemble with a classic steel dress watch to establish mature refinement. This specific outfit perfectly bridges the gap between relaxation and undeniable executive presence. The Suede Harrington upgrade. Upgrading casual outerwear immediately transforms your daily uniform. A burnt orange Suede Harrington jacket introduces magnificent texture, creating a visually captivating upper half that commands attention quietly. This premium fabric instantly projects a deeply rooted old money aesthetic while avoiding boring neutral tones. To balance the vibrant jacket above, pair it with smooth, impeccably tailored dark charcoal worsted wool trousers. The monochromatic dark foundation beautifully suits the energetic outerwear for a clear spring day. Complete this commanding silhouette with a minimalist silver dress watch. This exact combination telegraphs extreme cultural refinement, ensuring you look impossibly wealthy and naturally put together in any casual environment. 13. The Pique cotton blazer. Maintaining a sharp appearance in warm weather requires strategic fabric choices. A forest green Pique cotton blazer offers the breathable comfort of a polo shirt constructed into a formal silhouette. This unlined jacket molds perfectly to your frame, projecting relaxed authority without any stifling heat. Contrast this rich, earthy upper layer with lightweight light gray linen blend trousers. The visual separation between the deep green and crisp gray creates an incredibly elevated daytime aesthetic that flatters mature gentlemen flawlessly. Incorporating a subtle silver dress watch tucked just under the cuff emphasizes your appreciation for understated horology, completing an outfit that speaks entirely of quiet luxury. 14. The mock neck sophistication. Men over 40 often neglect alternative necklines, missing crucial opportunities for sartorial distinction. A burgundy short-sleeve mock neck knit provides a majestic, architectural frame for your face while remaining cool enough for spring afternoons. This elegant piece completely eliminates the sloppy appearance of standard t-shirts. Pair this regal top with beautifully tailored navy blue tropical wool pants. The deep, rich color harmony between burgundy and navy establishes a stunning, sophisticated palette that feels incredibly fresh yet completely traditional. Add a classic silver dress watch to project subtle authority. True luxury whispers through impeccable fit, ensuring you command any room with effortless, timeless masculine grace. 15. The Unlined Mac Coat. Spring weather unpredictability demands sophisticated outerwear that never feels cumbersome. A stone beige, unlined Mac Coat delivers unparalleled sleekness, abandoning bulky belts for a streamlined, minimalist profile. Worn open over a simple white cotton t-shirt, it beautifully frames the garments beneath while projecting deep metropolitan sophistication. Underneath, anchor your look with dark brown linen cotton trousers, renowned for their incredible breathability and rich visual depth. This specific earthy pairing is the ultimate undisputed champion of conservative wealth styling. Equip your wrist with a polished steel dress watch, solidifying an impeccably clean, highly structured aesthetic that dominates any upscale daytime environment with absolute ease and dignity. Implementing these 15 quiet style moves will completely transform your daily aesthetic from dated to undeniably distinguished. Remember, looking expensive is never about wearing flashy logos or chasing fleeting youth trends. It is about demanding impeccable tailoring, investing in premium natural fabrics, and carrying yourself with a quiet authority that only comes with age. Elevate your standards, refine your visual presence, and continue building a wardrobe that demands absolute respect everywhere you go. For more elite sartorial guidance, subscribe to the Man Style Decree today.